I'm going to be exploring Alaska's frozen north, hunting ptarmigan and caribou, solo camping without a tent, visiting remote Arctic communities, and exploring some of the most beautiful and inhospitable land in Alaska. Well, it took me about 14 hours to drive here. It's about -10 degrees Fahrenheit out here with the sun shining and there's no wind, and it just feels wonderful. I've never explored this part of Alaska before, and I'm kind of excited to look around. I'm going to try to get on top of that ridge about 2.5 miles away, see what I can see. Whew. It is bright out here. This is all caribou tracks.